guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, I got a delicious recipe just for you that I created because I like ravioli, I like shrimp. I'm going to make a cream sauce with this thing and whip it up for you guys. It's going to be decadent, delicious, and absolutely amazing. It's a sexy dish that you can have on Valentine's Day, or just you just want to make dinner for your loved one. All right, hun, let's get started. So, for this dish, we have a couple of teaspoons. I have a teaspoon of flour. I have some parsley flakes, some Shelly's house seasoning. You can use all-purpose seasoning, whatever type of your favorite seasoning you have. That's fine. I have some half and half. I have some 4 cheese ravioli. I have a pound of medium raw deveined tail off shrimp. I have some Parmesan cheese, 6 ounces. I have some butter. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of that. And I have some minced garlic, guys. And that's going to go into this. I have a pot of water boiling on the stove. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our ravioli. We're going to have our ravioli in our pot, in our boiling pot, which only takes like 5 minutes to boil. Okay, because this is like fresh ravioli, so it doesn't take that long to cook. So like 5 minutes, ravioli done. This is a quick, easy dish. Say you were supposed to make dinner for a hot date and you're supposed to make dinner. This is a quick go-to dinner. I mean, if you want, you can swap. If you're allergic to seafood, you can swap this out for chicken. Or you could just have the ravioli and just call it, and you know, no protein necessary. It'd just be meatless. Alright, so let's get started on this most flavorful, delicious meal. Coming in straight to you, Shelly style. It is what it is. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, so we're back at the stove. Now y'all know what I told y'all about pasta. If you've been watching my videos, y'all know what I told y'all about pasta. Pasta has the boiling water has to be salted in order to give flavor to your pasta. Water, salty as the sea. I'm going in with some pink Himalayan salt. Alright, so that was a lot. That's what you want. You want it as salty as the sea. Like, there's no if, and, buts, nothing about it. Salty as the sea, guys. That's what we want. I'm going in, and I'm going to stir the salt in. That's what you do. You stir that salt in. Now we're going to go in with our pasta, guys. I'm opening up my pasta, which I should have done before I started the video, but then I didn't. Go in. I think I'm going to do one. I'm going to do one pack of this. Only takes about 5 minutes to get this ravioli done. So I'm doing one pack. And all the ingredients, measurements, everything going to be in the description box, guys. Don't sweat. It's going to be okay. If I'm going too fast, you might have missed something. Everything is in the description box. And also, guys, while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you be notified every time Shelly uploads one of these delicious videos for you guys. Alright, guys, so we're going to let this boil for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to drain this off and everything. And then in this same pot, don't need to use another one, none of that stuff. We're going to make our sauce. We're going to simmer our shrimp and make our sauce. It's going to be amazing up in here. amazing. When I tell you amazing, I mean amazing. This girl, Shelly, she knows what she's doing in this kitchen. She can throw down. Trying to tell you. Alright, so in my pan here, I have butter and olive oil in there. It's getting all nice and milky and flavorful. And to that, we're going to add my shrimp. And all we want to do is just get them to be alright guys, so in my pot here I have my shrimp and my butter and some olive oil. Now I'm going to go in with some Shelly's house seasoning. I'm going to get at a good seasoning. And we're going to go in with some garlic. A half a teaspoon that was. And this is just to season up our shrimp. To give our shrimp some flavor, because like I said in every other video, we want to build layers of flavor. We don't want bland food in here. We need layers and layers of what, guys? Flavor. So this is cooking out very nicely. So when it's ready to come out the pan, I'll be back. Alright, so this is what I want. This is that gorgeous opaque color, and where it is just right there at the point, but not all the way done. We're just going to go ahead and take those out. And just keep letting that pot simmer. Because guess what that is at the bottom? Shrimp broth. I'm just going to get it all out. You can use a regular spoon. I'm just using my spider because I so happen to have it on hand. Now I'm going to go in with my flour. And I got my spatula here. And I'm just going to keep stirring this until it becomes smooth. Smooth like that baby's bottom. It's nice and smooth. Just keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. Because we want to mix this and get rid of any type, and I hit it with some Shelly's house seasoning to add some more flavor to it. Like I said, we're building layers of flavor. And what we want to do is to eliminate that flour taste. So 30 seconds should do, you guys. So I'm going to go in with some more garlic. So all together is going to be a whole teaspoon of garlic, guys. Now I got a little juice in there. Don't worry about it. That's more flavor. Alright, we want to cook some of that raw garlic taste out. Alright, so now I'm going in with my half and half. Now we're making our cream sauce now, guys. A little at a time. So keep mixing. Keep mixing. You guys can use a whisk if you're not, you know, good with it. A spatula. Alright. keep mixing this until it comes smooth and thick. Then I'm going in with some milk. So that was a pint of heavy cream that went in there. And if you see some lumps, smash it out and keep stirring. Smash it out and keep stirring, guys. Smash it out and keep stirring. I'll grab my milk. Now, I got a recipe kind of like this for these pork chops, but I don't add cheese. I add mustard instead of the cheese at this point. And it's absolutely amazing. So we use a pint of half and half and about a cup and a half of milk. We're going to wait till it get all nice and heated up, guys. Look at that. Just keep mixing it, because it's going to thicken on you. It's going to thicken. So when it thickens some more, I'll be back. Alright, so our cream sauce is nice and bubbly and beautiful. Now we're going to go in with some of this Parmigiano, finely shredded. That's enough. Going on with 3 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Okay, so now let's turn our fire down. I'm going to turn it down to low. That's what we're looking for. Look at that. That is exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to grab our ravioli from the strainer and get it back into our water. I said water. We're going to get it back into our cream. Well, we're going to get it into our cream sauce, not even back. Just into that cream sauce. Now, before I add my shrimp back, here's where I like to go in with my dried parsley, because it doesn't change the flavor. Fresh parsley changes the flavor, and if you want to use fresh parsley, go right ahead. It's fine. So I use about 2 tablespoons of this. Now, you could add spinach or broccoli to this, and you know, sexy it up some more. Great. Now I'm going in with my shrimp. Amazing. There you have it, guys. Amazing. I'm going to give it a taste in this pot. Alright guys, let's give it a taste. I'm going to grab a shrimp and a ravioli. Right there, look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Fresh ravioli pasta. Some shrimp. Oh, cream sauce. Oh. I don't need nothing else. Nothing. I'm so excited about this dish. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm going to get out of here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. That shrimp is cooked so perfectly. Oh, it's got the most tender chew. Oh, I'm sorry. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, y'all have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.